Guys, everyone, for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the QR code image by using the Google API. Okay, first let's go to your Google Drive and then open the spreadsheet. On the spreadsheet, you have to name the column as follow. For this example, the first column A, I name it as student ID. The second one is the first name, the last name, and image and QR code. Okay, let's begin with the student ID. For the example, I would make it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, I would name it like student A, student B. Okay, and then I make a copy. Student C, D, and student E. For the last name, I would name it like L A LP LC LD LE. Okay, next for the QR code image, I have already created the URL link to generate the QR code. Okay, let's make the copy one. I Control A and Control C to make a copy for this. Also, I will put this link in the description of video for your convenience to copy it if you want to follow how to do so. Now you just go to this, you can select this one and paste the code here, and then you just change from no need to change it, just make enter. Okay, now you see that you can enlarge it a bit, make copy, and then you can enlarge it, or you can select all this. Okay, okay, that's all for how to make the QR code for each of our student ID, so that you can print it out and attach to the name card or the ID card, and then you have the application for scanning and checking for information. Thank you for your watching.